else. Is that the reason that the arrest hasn't taken place yet? Because as you're telling us, the Narcotics Bureau will still need solid evidence, like they've taken custody for others, that it was for her, she had it in her possession, consumed it, distributed it, sold it. For an arrest to really take place, just for asking or discussing may not be that serious.
Three major points, Pooja. First, she hasn't procured any drugs directly. The procurement hasn't happened from her side, or she was personally not present for procurement of drugs. She hasn't transported any of the drugs or banned substances that has been spoken about. She has communicated regarding these drugs, but she hasn't spoken or directly to any of the peddlers. She was not in direct contact. She was speaking to her brother. She was speaking to Samuel. She was speaking to Dipesh Sawant. Very important point over here. In NDPS Act, there should be possession. There is no possession over here. Dipesh Sawant has confessed to transportation. Samuel Miranda has confessed to procurement and transportation. These are two important points which led to their arrest. But here, Riya is saying Sushant wanted this drug. That is why she communicated with her brother, who was in touch with drug peddlers, and she has revealed that to the Narcotics Control Bureau. But there is no direct possession over here. She has confirmed, she has been maintaining this, that she hasn't consumed any drugs. So only on basis of facilitation, she could be booked. She could be booked for facilitating, but several sections do not apply to her because she did not receive the drug in her own hand. She did not transport it, and she did not deliver it. So these are the three important points because of which and Narcotics Control Bureau could grill her further to try and extract a confession from her side.
Okay, that's a fair point. That's a fair point, Divyesh, that you're telling us there has to be more with the Narcotics Bureau for an arrest. It can't simply be right now as it seems. Even though it's big, she has confessed that she was arranging drugs for Rajput and that she was discussing drugs with her younger brother, was aware about Samuel Miranda procuring drugs. So at least some admission has come, not enough yet. She's been allowed to let go today for the day, but will be summoned again. I want to go across now to Munish Pandey. Munish, you've been tracking all the latest. You told us that there is a possibility she may not be arrested today as well. That has happened, but the sword is still hanging. If she is called again tomorrow, there's going to be more cross-questioning. Narcotics Bureau has enough evidence right now with them. They are the one doing all the arrests for now.
Yeah, of course, Pooja, and what we do know at this point of time is that today the questioning wasn't completed by the Narcotics Control Bureau officials, and one of the reasons was that the questioning started little late because she came around 12 o'clock. Now also the important point is that because she is prime accused in the case which has been lodged by the NCB, they want to question her on all the aspects, and during today's questioning she refused to give answers of some questions. She was being evasive according to NCB sources, and also she said during the questioning that she has never consumed drugs, but also she was confronted with the documentary evidences, the WhatsApp chats, and also with the statements given by Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant and Shouvik Chakravarti. But there is still physical confrontation of Riya Chakravarti left, and that is why tomorrow she will be physically confronted with Shouvik Chakravarti, Dipesh and Samuel Miranda, and that is why NCB has summoned her again.
So Munish, today we can say, today was the day when Riya Chakravarti was called by the Narcotics Bureau for the first time, but it was only her questioning that has taken place. Tomorrow could be even bigger because tomorrow the cross-questioning will take place. That is when inconsistencies and perhaps other admissions may come.
Yeah, of course, very true, Pooja. In fact, today's questioning was only of Riya Chakravarti. She was not confronted with any of the arrested accused in the case. She was confronted with the statements given by the accused in the case, but the physical confrontation is still left, and that is why all the accused, Dipesh Sawant, Samuel Miranda, and the other persons, Shouvik Chakravarti, they have been kept in the same NCB office where Riya Chakravarti was being questioned, and based on what Riya Chakravarti has given answer in respect to Shouvik, Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda, a separate questionnaire has been prepared even for these three arrested accused in the case, and based on their statements, again a fresh
Yes.
questionnaire will be prepared, and there is a high possibility that after tomorrow's questioning, NCB will take a decision whether to arrest or not. But as of now, it appears that she will be arrested tomorrow.